Namaskar, how are you doing everybody? This is Hansa Singh here, bringing you the fortnightly tarot predictions and guidance for your benefit every fortnight. Okay, I do readings on sun, moon and rising, and that's how it goes. If you know your sun sign, moon sign and rising, you're at it. And I believe that everything has gone very fine and good with you in the last 15 days, and definitely आपने अपने आप को वैक्सीनेट करा लिया होगा, क्योंकि मैंने आज वैक्सीनेशन कराया है पहला, and that's because how the work goes. Okay, so अभी हम शुरू करते हैं टैरो गाइडेंस रीडिंग अगले 15 दिन के लिए, जो कि है 4th of July to 18th of July. Yes, इस 15 दिन की रीडिंग है, फोर्टनाइटली रीडिंग है, 15 डेज में है, बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. और मैंने न्यूमरोलॉजिकल टैरो भी डाला है. अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आता है, डेट ऑफ बर्थ को ऐड करिए और उसके बाद में देखिए 1 2 3 to 9 क्या क्या आता है, एंड देन जस्ट गो फॉर इट. But yes, I'm doing this reading with the sun, moon and rising, and I hope it helps you. So let's begin the reading and see how it goes. एरीज यानी मेष राशि क्या कहता है ये हफ्ता आपके लिए. ऑलराइट, मेष राशि आपके दिस 15 days आपके लिए है द नाइट ऑफ कप्स. सो यू आर काइंड ऑफ राइडिंग ऑन समथिंग लिटिल मशी. आप इमोशनल होने वाले हैं इन दिनों में, और आपके साथ यू वांट टू टेक योर रिलेशनशिप फर्दर and or your work further. That's what the tarot card is saying. And the second card is the death ka card. Death ka card is also suggesting that something is changing आपके रिश्ते में, आपकी ज़िंदगी में, और आपके अगर काम जो है उसमें भी कुछ चेंज होने वाला है. Something is changing, the time for transformation, because suddenly something will happen, because that's what the card of 8 of Wands says for you. And these 15 days seems to be good for me as far as आपका ये 15 दिन जाते हैं मेष राशि, बिकॉज इन 15 दिनों में बहुत सारी चीज़ें होने वाली हैं. डेफिनेटली कुछ चेंज होने वाला है. So you should adapt to the change that is happening for you and do not resist it. Okay, these are the 15 days, and I have got some very important and beautiful wisdom cards. Okay, and these wisdom cards are miracle and wisdom cards. So let me see एरीज आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं ये विस्डम कार्ड्स कि ये 15 दिनों के लिए आपके लिए क्या विस्डम है. And the wisdom card comes out with knowledge. Seek knowledge. So जो भी चीज़ें आप ज़िंदगी में करना चाहते हैं उसके लिए आपको थोड़ी सी नॉलेज की ज़रूरत है. तो नॉलेज को लेकर आएंगे, that will help you to go further and understand where your life is going. Taurus यानी वृषभ, let's see what the cards have to say for you. ओके टॉरस, आपके लिए आया है जजमेंट का कार्ड. जजमेंट का कार्ड आपके लिए ये कहता है कि some second beginning is happening in your life, some changes are happening, and definitely a lot has happened in the last few months and all. So finally you are harbinging on the new life, just a second life I would say. Judgment is there. दूसरा कार्ड आपके लिए टेम्परेस का कार्ड आया. टेम्परेस का कार्ड आपके लिए ये कहता है कि there is some डील जहाँ पे आपको बैलेंस रखना पड़ेगा. सो कीप द बैलेंस व्हाट यू लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू. एंड द थर्ड कार्ड इज द किंग ऑफ पेंटिकल्स. सो किंग ऑफ पेंटिकल्स इज दैट यू आर गोइंग टू टेक very practical decisions in your life, because the balance is coming, judgment is happening. So it's all together trying to bring the balance in your life. Vrishabh Rashi, Taurus, that's what this tarot card says for you. बैलेंस लेकर आइए, प्रैक्टिकल डिसीजन लीजिए, और जो भी आप ज़िंदगी में चाह रहे हैं उसमें थोड़ी सी तब्दीली अब होनी शुरू होगी, क्योंकि जस्ट व्हाट द जजमेंट का कार्ड सेज. एंड लेट मी सी द व्हाट विजडम कार्ड हैव टू से फॉर टॉरस. वृषभ राशि आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं. 7 heavenly virtues, key to goodness, fantastic card. So whatever you want to do with the temporal judgment, जो भी आप करने वाले हैं, it's key to happiness. So don't worry, you are on the right path, Taurus. God bless you. Geminis, मिथुन क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स आपके लिए. Geminis आपके लिए है the Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords is saying that you are in a zone that you really want to do things fast and furious way, as I always say about this card, Knight of Swords के लिए. And you are charging, you want to make some traveling plan, that's also on the cards for you. Second card आपके लिए है the 7 of Cups. 7 of Cups, there are too many things on your plate at the moment, to too many things that you got to do before you take any decision. And third card is for you is the 2 of Cups. The 2 of Cups says that you will bring balance into your life and you will bring some harmony in your life, because that's what the 2 of Cups says for you. And it's also the card of bringing some freshness into your relationship. That's what it says. And the Seven of Cups is also about taking some practical decisions that you want to take. Cups to hai, but it's too materialistic a word for you. So you want to take the right decision that you want to do this 15 days, Gemini, Mithun Rashi, and let's see what the wisdom card have to say for you. And the wisdom card for you comes out to be money. Money hai to money hai. Okay, the money says find a way to abundance. Bingo. So the option card, that Seven of Cups that you got, is also about the abundance. Say that you're looking for to look for abundance, find the key, how you're going to earn, what you're going to do, business decisions, work, whatever it takes. God bless you, Gemini. Cancer, what this says for you. Okay, आपके लिए है Temperance का card. Temperance card is asking you to go easy with yourself, bring some balance into your life, because you have been on all the corners trying to do something, but it's not happening. All right. Second card is a Four of Swords. Four is asking you to take rest, take a pause, believe in the Almighty, for it's a divine timing that goes for it. So don't hurry because you are so much boom, boom, boom. No, not like that. And the third card is the Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups is asking you, telling you that you might take a departure of what's happening at the moment, and you would like to just start something new, balance something. I mean, bring some balance into your life. So you go easy. Last week must have been, 15 days must have been very good for you, but trying to bring some balance into your life, Cancerians, and that's a thing. But in totality, it's something you have to think about what you have to do next with the wise thinking, balanced thinking of your mind. And let's see what the wisdom card have to suggest for you. And the card comes out for you is choices. Wow. Make the best choices. That's exactly what the card has says for you. When the card came of Temperance was that, and the departure of the Eight of Cups is also that you have to take the right decision for whatever you have to do. Make the right choices that you want to do. Cancerians, this is a very important thing for you, because you've been struggling, fighting for long, and this is your birthday month going on. So I wish these changes are happening, because when the birthday happens, the change automatically comes. That's how it is. So you have to adapt the change that's happening. All right, God bless you, Cancerians. Saying यानी लियो क्या कहता है हफ्ता 15 दिन आपके लिए. Okay, आपके लिए है the Hierophant card. You are also stuck up in your thing, because some people are into government jobs, some people are into hierarchy, some people are the top notch and all. So things are working for you in that अभी आपके लिए कुछ government का काम है तो आप वो देखेंगे करेंगे. And you are planning to travel somewhere. The Chariot card is also there. There is a movement in your life. Singh Rashi, you're traveling somewhere for some work and all that. And also the Five of Wands. The Five of Wands is saying that there is some mental agony, anxiety, commotion which is there. You're fighting from left to right place because you want to do something else and something else is happening, but you got to do it because that's a decision taken by your work or yourself or whatever it's supposed to be. But this is showing that you will travel, you will be having some work to do with authority, and that is giving you a mental anxiety. So take it easy, because calm, cool रहेंगे तो अच्छी decisions होंगे. That's what the card says for you. And let's see what the wisdom card have to say for you. Singh Rashi, the wisdom card comes out for you is face your fears, release the power of fear. Boom, fantastic. जो भी fears आपके दिमाग में है उनको face करिए, address कीजिए, and then only find answer. The commotion, the Five of Wands that came to you is all about your mental anxiety. Singh Rashi, address it. God bless you, Leo. Virgo, Kanya Rashi, क्या कहता है? Tarot cards आपके लिए है the Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords is that okay, maybe your health is giving you trouble, something like that is happening, and you want that to get better. But don't you worry, you have been supported by able cards of the Wheel of Fortune and the World. That is, things will change for you. Things, whatever is stuck is changing for you. This is something is ending, Virgos, in your life, which was not serving your purpose. So that shall go away, and new chapter will begin, new cycle will begin, and the wheel will change, and you will be going through from bad to good. So be in the blissful time for you, Virgos, because that's what the card says for you. And this is something on the divine timing, things happen, not before that. So just wait for the divine timing to happen for you. And there could be some travel plans you want to make, that's also there. But let's see what the wisdom card have to say for you, Virgos. Oh, so beautiful. It says children. So you are either missing your children, or you want to be with your children, or you're concerned about your children, or also that you should be something like a child. So that helps you to see things in a different way rather than being stuck up with adult mind of yours. All right, God bless you, Virgos. Libra, what does the card says for you? Okay, Libra, आपके लिए आया है Seven of Swords. Now, Seven of Swords is saying that somewhere you are feeling defeated, somewhere you're not feeling good about it, something that you're doing with yourself is not really good. Because if you shortchange yourself, or if you spread yourself so much thin, then it's not going to work for you. This is what I have read. जितना आप give and take करते हैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में, उसको आप संभाल के रखिए, because balance लाना आपके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. Liberals, Tula Rashi, that's what the card says for you. If you're giving your energies and effort, please ask the right energy exchange, or the money, or the fee, or the remuneration, or the salary, whatever it's supposed to be. Do not shortchange yourself, alright? Secondly, third, after I had the Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles is also saying that you are trying to get some solid base plan about something, some investment that could happen. There could be some investment happening, because if you're doing a business or work, there is some movement about it that's happening. But you need to understand, when you sign in the contracts, read the fine prints before you sign the contract, as you should know what and how you're getting into, which is the thing. So read the fine prints and then only you do it. And if you're doing anything online, please beware, because there's a lot of cheats out there. So think about it, and let's see what the wisdom cards have to say for you. And it says legends. Okay, the legend is learn from who inspires you. How beautiful. हमें सब पता है, पर बहुतों को बहुत कुछ पता है, तो कभी कभी उनसे भी सीखना चाहिए जो आपसे छोटे हैं या बड़े हैं. Legends हैं, but some or anybody can inspire you. So be inspired, and God bless you, Libra. Scorpio, वृश्चिक, क्या कहता है कार्ड आपके लिए? Okay, आपके लिए आया है the Four of Swords. Four of Swords says that you need to take it easy, be a little more spiritual, थोड़ा chanting कीजिए, पूजा पाठ करिए, and leave it to the divinity, because the Four of Swords are asking you to take it slow, take it easy, be rational, don't rush. Second card आपके लिए है Temperance का card. Temperance का card is also saying धीरे धीरे, हौले हौले चलो, सोच समझ के चलो, जल्दी जल्दी मत भागो, easy. Alright, third card आपके लिए है the Ten of Pentacles. Now, Ten of Pentacles is all about house, family, and everything. So there is some travel, of course, happening for you. There is something, but take it easy, whatever you're doing, and maybe you might be visiting your people, your folks, your house. You never know. So that's a beautiful card. And maybe you want to do some renovation, some kind of change in your house. That's also on there. The Ten of Pentacles, and the Temperance is also saying take it easy and don't exert too much, don't take any stress, Scorpios. Everything is working with divine timing, and it's so beautifully worked out for you. Let's see what the wisdom card have to say for Scorps. Leadership, set your goals. Boom, beautiful. So it's a lovely card. Claim your right, claim your command, own yourself, own your thoughts, and take leadership. Because leadership अगर आप करेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि where you're charging, what's just happening, and that is what is in store for you. Take charge, Scorps. So God bless you, Scorps. Saji, यानी Thanu, what is in store for you? So देखिए आपके लिए है the Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is saying that you are emotionally charged about your work, business, and everything. That's what the card is saying. But the second card is the Death card. That means there is some transformation happening. There is some change happening for sure. And the third card is the Emperor. Emperor is that अगर आपका business किसी higher authority government के साथ अटका हुआ है, then you need to address it. There will be some change coming in for you to go for it, and it will be good for you, but take slow and steady about it. And also you should have be a little flexible. You can't be rigid about a thing, because Emperor card is also like you a little stubborn about certain thing. Don't be stubborn about it, क्योंकि stubborn रह के कुछ होगा नहीं. अगर आप बहुत egoistic हैं, flexible नहीं है, that will harm you only. So that's what the card suggests, that go easy, see things with love, and take the right decisions this 15 days that you have, and make some difference in your business, because definite change is coming. And let's see what the wisdom card have to say. Wisdom card for Saji is creative wonderment. Okay, this is your follower passion, honestly speaking. So creative is like you too into the zone of work, and there's no playfulness happening. So make your work passion. If you have some other different hobbies, go for it. Just rejuvenate, energize yourself. That's what the wisdom card is for you. Just too much of work has bothered you down and you're not feeling good about it. The death card is also asking you the same thing. Change, bring the change, do something different that can rejuvenate yourself, Sagittarius. That's what the card is saying for you, and God bless you. कैप्रिकॉर्न यानी मकर क्या कहते हैं, और आपके लिए तो बड़े खूबसूरत से कार्ड आए हैं. आपके लिए आया है द सन का कार्ड. Sun is shining bright on you finally, Caprice, and the Queen of Swords has come. Queen of Swords is also about the females are finally taking charge of what they want to do, practical decision, good decisions about it. And there is the Ace of Swords. The Ace of Swords is a very beautiful beginning that has defeated, finished all that was dungeon and putting breaks to your work and your life and your thinking and your business or work. It's a beautiful, beautiful time for you, Capricorn. I am so happy. But you're also concerned about your kids. You're also concerned that how do I make things like better for my children. And I'm also saying that, you know, it's a very practical thing which is flowing, a very beautiful practical energy going around yourself. And you can also add certain emotions to it, to yourself. Love yourself and feel good about this whole thing. Don't be too harsh on yourself. Just feel good that finally the sun is shining on you and your efforts are being paid off. And what the wisdom card comes to you is friendship. Nurture your relationships. That's a beautiful card of friendship. So I think it's the right time for you to meet, greet your friends and all, because you've been too consumed into your thing. And that could be meeting your family members, your brothers, sisters, whosoever it's supposed to be. Just go for it. God bless you, Capricorns. Lovely. Aquarius. क्या कहता है? Oh wow, lovely. You also super blessed, lovely. आपके लिए the Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands is saying Aquarius कि finally something is happening. Something which was stopped is going to start immediately. Boom, boom, boom. Second card is the Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is saying that you're going to take very practical decision. Females, you're going to be embarking on a new journey and you're going to be very well at it, because the third card is the Sun ka card. The Sun ka card is saying that go for it. I'm blessing you with the new energy that you can bask in. So go for it. Altogether, beautiful week for you. Even for students who have been stuck up, it's amazing week. All your problems are going to solve, and don't you worry about anything. And let's see the wisdom card that comes out for you, Scorpios. Sorry, Aquarius. So your card that comes out is the Archangel Gabriel, messenger of creativity and hope. How beautiful. It's such a beautiful card. What you need to do is that ask Archangel Gabriel, in case you get stuck up somewhere, that help me to grow my creativity and show me the right path. God bless you, Aquarius. Time for Pisces, the last. Let's see what the card says for you. Alrighty, actually I had a 9 of Swords. 9 of Swords is you are in a zone which is really disturbing you, Pisces, Meen Rashi. Too much of things are practical things are happening and you are on an emotional turmoil and ride, because you don't like hurry-burry of the things. You don't like things like you just be here. You just want to get calm and cool and collected, but time is a change. You have the Fool card. The Fool card is saying that you embark on a new journey. Don't think too much about it. Go with the flow, because that's what the divinity is asking you. That's what the God is asking you. That's what your angels are asking you. Go with the divine flow, and you will see a Page of Cups. Now, the Page of Cups is you, as I say, you're feeling very, very mushy. Emotionally, you're very charged up with whatever things are happening. Maybe even if the work is happening, you're very emotionally charged about your work because it's happening after a long time. But also, this card is something which is your mental anxiety, nothing else. So don't worry about anything. Just go, because it's a new beginning, new journey. Just shed all your fear, shed all your worry, shed everything and just go. Believe in the divinity and that you will never be disappointed, Pisces, because whatever happens, happens for good. And let's see what the wisdom card has to say for you. And it says, illusion, embrace the truth. Beautiful card, illusion. Like, it's like if you have this mental anxiety, it's because you're overthinking, Pisces. Mean rush, you're gonna overthinking, तो definitely you'll be in a bad shape. So don't think, just embrace it, just accept the truth that's happening, because it's finally happening. Don't doubt the truth. The changes that are happening in your life is for good, so don't doubt it. All right? God bless you, Pisces. And as always, I've got the universe has your back, and let's see what it says. The moment I realign with love, clear direction is presented to me. It's all about love. Realign yourself and you will find your answers, and it will be beautiful. I love this. The moment I realign. So you just have to realign yourself with love and you will see how it goes, and that's how this episode comes to an end. And now this is for 15 days, as I said, from the 4th till 18th of July. And I shall see you in the next episode, and God bless you all. And please, please, please share it, subscribe it, just spread the word around. And if you want a tarot reading done by me or any healing, just reach out to me. Everything is written in the description. It's hansa@hotmail.com, and you shall reach me and I shall guide you. All right? God bless you all. Namaste, love and light.